Yeah, look at that, Android 13, and it kind of works. Okay, so with 2 fingers, if we put our 2 fingers down here, we can...
This is my brand new TV and it looks so nice. Like, look at it. Damn. I kind of like the resolution of it, and it's 55 inches, so it's actually nice. Not bad. I'm actually liking it. So some content.
What's up guys, it's Frankfurter. Do you own a MacBook and an Android device?
Yes.
Have you ever wanted to combine these two experiences together?
Yes.
What do you mean no? What? It's not dumb. Well, we're going to be doing it anyway. Today, we're going to be running Android on a MacBook. Because why the hell not? Introducing today's victim, Apple. Oh, the Apple logo is a bit cracked. That's not very good. Ugh, I don't like those sounds. This laptop here is a 15-inch Retina MacBook Pro, and not just any Retina MacBook Pro. Well, kind of is just any Retina MacBook Pro, but
Very
this
good.
specifically is